This is a package of the world's best potato chips. We got this package in China. The honey butter flavor is very addicting. They are from the Korean manufacturer Orion and you can buy them all over Asia. Let's open the package. They have a slight honey flavor followed by a creamy butter taste. The chips are very light and their shape is special. These chips are super crispy. If you find these rare chips outside of Korea, then you should try them. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.